Welcome to Bodhi Shishu. We are proud to be the only organization that offers online programs on emotional intelligence for young children. Our mission is to raise compassionate and joyous individuals who have the capacity to remain calm and happy even in the most stressful circumstances. And this forms the core of all our offerings. In this program, we will share the tried and tested tools and techniques that you can use to increase your child's emotional quotient. This program has been curated after carefully studying the benefits of these techniques on children over the last few decades. Continuous research and observation prove the effectiveness of the methodology, tools, and techniques shared here. This is a comprehensive and interactive 12-week program for parents and children where we guide you step by step on everything that you need to know about emotional intelligence. The importance of EI has come to light in the last few decades, and in the present times, it becomes imperative for us to instill this life skill in our children. The first section is meant for parents only. This section will give you a good understanding on what emotional intelligence is and what its various benefits are for children. You will also be taught the difference between EQ and IQ. You will be given directions on how to use this program effectively. When our little ones are faced with big emotions, we find it hard to handle them too. To help you with that, in the first section, you will also be given 5 practical steps to emotion coach your children through tough emotions. From the second section onwards, most of the lessons are for children. We cover 1 emotion per section. A new section opens every fortnight. We teach children how to manage difficult emotions like anger, frustration, irritation, and enhance positive emotions like love, empathy, kindness. We use age-appropriate effective tools like captivating stories, music, engaging worksheets, and fun activities to do the same. When practiced diligently, these methods will increase the EI of children tangibly. This amazing interactive program comes with a load of features and benefits. We never make you feel like you are on your own in this. Through your dashboard, we encourage you to ask questions or doubts, and we will answer them personally within 48 hours. Our courses provide the maximum flexibility. Since these are pre-recorded lessons, you can watch them at your convenient time. There is no restriction on the number of times you can watch a lesson, so please feel free to play any lesson as many number of times as you like. Even though this is a 3-month program, you will be given access to it for 6 months. So enjoy the extended 3 months access. There are ample downloadable audios and PDFs for you to use even after course completion. And in case you are wondering on how to continue the practice with your children post completion, we have you covered. At the end of the program, you will be given a detailed day-to-day schedule which will guide you on how to continue this wonderful practice with your children. That's not all. Upon completion, your child will also be given a certificate from Bodhi Shishu. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the program.